Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is Practice of Brahmacharya. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise, 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU 1906. Okay. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you will get a notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called Sarvangasana, all members pose. Okay, and in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called Matsya Asana, fish pose. Okay, so friends, this is 71 number video, and the name of the topic is Matsya Asana, fish pose. So let us see what Swami Svanandaji is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. This must be practiced soon after Sarvangasana. So friends, here Swami Shivanandaji is telling that this asana should be practiced soon after Sarvangasana. It will relieve stiffness of the neck and all crampy condition of the cervical region caused by long practice of Sarvangasana. So here Swami Shivanandaji is telling this asana is going to release the all stress and the cramp which is caused in the neck because of long time performing of this asana, friends. Okay, it gives a natural massage to the congested part of the neck and shoulder. So Swami Shivanandaji is telling that this asana give a natural massage to the congested part of the neck and shoulders in our body, friends. Okay, so this Swami Shivanandaji is telling to us in this topic. Further, it ensures that the student derives the maximum benefit from the practice of Sarvangasana. So, friends, here further it is seen that students should get more and more benefit by doing the Sarvangasana, friends. Okay, so this Swami Svanandaji is telling to us in this topic. Sit in Padmasana over the blanket by keeping the right foot over the left high thigh and the left foot over the right thigh. So here friends, Swami Svanandaji is telling that we should sit in Padmasana by keeping right foot in leg thigh and leg and left foot in right thigh, friends. Okay, so this Swami Svanandaji is telling to us in this topic. The lie flat on the back, then lie flat, then we have to lie flat on our back. After that, let us see what Swami Svanandaji is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. Stretch the head back, stretch the head back so that the top of your head rests on the ground firmly on one side and the buttocks only on the other another. So friends, here Swami Svanandaji is telling that we should leave our body in such a way that we could easily rest, friends. Okay, so this Swami Svanandaji is telling to us in this topic. Thus making a bridge of the trunk. Place the hands over the thigh or catch hold of the toes. So friends, here Swami Svanandaji is saying thus making a bridge over the trunk. We have to place our hand over the thigh and we should catch hold of our toes, friends. Okay. So this Swami Svanandaji is telling to us in this topic. You will have to give a good twist to the back. So here Swami Svanandaji is telling that we have to give a good twist to our back, friends. Okay. Matsyasana is destroyed of many Matsyasana is the destroyer of many disease. This is very useful for general health also. So Swami Svanandaji is telling that Matsyasana is the destroyer of many disease and it is used for general asana also, friends. Okay. So friends, in this topic I have covered the concept called Matsyasana, fish pose, friends. Okay. And in our next topic I am going to cover the topic called Pandughrusthasana, that is balancing toes. So this topic I am going to cover, friends. Okay. So friends, our this topic came to an end, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video, friends. Okay.